We will install 2 applications to be able to run ComfyUI. There are actually multiple ways to install this. This is by far the easiest and straightforward. The other 2 options are to install it from Git for Windows or install from Git using ComfyUI Portable. If anyone is interested with the portable version, please let me know. We will start with Git for Windows. I will provide the URL for all the websites that we need to download in the description below. Next, we will go to comfy.org/download and click on the button Download for Windows. Download is pretty fast. They are not crazy huge files. Once you have downloaded both files, let us start installing Git for Windows. This is one way to install the ComfyUI Manager as well as other models. Select the options you want installed based on your preference. Just follow the installation instructions and it doesn't take too long to install. Next, we install ComfyUI based on the files we just downloaded. Choose your location and install. It will guide you through the rest of the install. You can use either your CPU or GPU. The GPU is highly recommended as ComfyUI is VRAM intensive. Once installed, it will open the ComfyUI server. We will minimize this server for now and install the ComfyUI Manager so we can install models and nodes. Go to File Manager and go to Directory Custom Nodes, right-click and open New Terminal. Once Terminal is open, paste the Git installation instructions. Just a note here, I've already installed it on mine, so it says it is no longer empty. If it is your first time to paste this command, it should go through. Now open up the ComfyUI server and you scroll down to Server Config. This will show the IP address and port number to use. In this case, it will be 127.0.0.1 and port number 8000. Type this onto your web browser and you should be able to access ComfyUI on the web browser. Once you have it opened on the web browser, you will be presented by a sample workflow. Try it by clicking Run. It will show you an error because it is missing a checkpoint. Go to this URL to download the checkpoint. Once downloaded, you will need to copy this onto your checkpoint model directory location. Go back to the workflow and click on Load Checkpoint Node and repoint the file to the one that you just have downloaded. You can now click Run and you should be able to see the progress. Watch each node turn green as it goes through the process. You will then successfully see a vase. Congratulations! That is your first locally generated AI image. Just a quick guide on how to use the ComfyUI Manager. This is where you will be able to find models and other files needed to run your models. You can either use this manager or use Github to download and install your models. If you need any guide on how to install from Github, let me know. I find it more flexible when using Github, although ComfyUI Manager is a good start to understand the application. I will be posting some tips and tricks and how to use some of my favorite models that I use. If you find this helpful, it would be greatly appreciated if you click like and subscribe.